Kitchen, the place where we became creative, the place where we are most interested to explore. But if your kitchen is smart enough, then cooking becomes more fun. Today, we will introduce to you some smart kitchen gadgets to upgrade your kitchen experience. Tiafuro 2.4-gallon kitchen compost bin. This indoor hanging compost bin with lid has been specially designed as a non-odorous hidden bin. However, it is extremely easy to load and unload. The compost bucket is ideal for odorless kitchen waste storage in your home. This trash can is simple to hang by using one hook, 2 adhesive hooks, and a 20-piece trash bag set. Consider this small and perfectly sized bin for your cabinet doors, pantry doors, cupboard doors, and so on. Remember, to fix it, the thickness of the door should be less than 0.95 inch. High-density polypropylene is used, which is non-toxic, strong, and long-lasting. This $24 item is even Amazon's pick, so you should get one. Oil sprayer mister. Say goodbye to costly oil sprayers. This oil sprayer is safe to use, has no odor, and can be directly loaded with edible oil. Furthermore, by being more environmentally friendly, this product reduces your carbon footprint. When should you use this? This atomized spraying of cooking oil can be used for frying, grilling, baking, air fryers, and other home uses. Usage is also simple. No matter which oil you choose, the exact amount of oil delivered is calculated each time you pull the trigger, and you'll get 1.5 grams of oil for total control of calorie counting in your kitchen. This sprayer is available for $15 on Amazon. Digital meat thermometer. Another Amazon bestseller with a rousing 5-star rating. Is it necessary to check the temperature of the meat? This is a debatable topic, but for the time being, we will say yes, it is required. The probe head of this meat thermometer, which is only 1.7 mm in diameter, is easy to insert into meats. If you leave it in the food for 2-4 seconds, you'll get an accurate temperature with a 1 degree C difference. If there is no activity, it will shut down after 10 minutes. The thermometer can display both Celsius, degree C, and Fahrenheit, degree F temperatures, ranging from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degree F, 50 degree C to 300 degree C. This allows it to read frozen ice cubes or broiling steaks. It can also lock the temperature using the hold button, allowing you to examine it more closely. It is more appealing because of the backlight screen, built-in magnet, and large hanging hole. This product has been IP67 certified. The probe is made of 304 stainless steel, which is non-toxic and suitable for use with food. The thermometer is made of premium ABS material and will last for a long time. We think this $15.85 product is worth buying. Anova Sous Vide Cooker 14. Sous vide cooking entails vacuum sealing food and then cooking it at precise temperatures in a water bath for extended periods of time. Assume you have a standard stove with electric or gas elements. In that case, you must constantly monitor the temperature with a kitchen thermometer and adjust the heat on your element to maintain the proper temperature. It's a lot of work, and you can't take a quick break. Unless you're a trained chef, that may be too much for the average person. The temperature and cooking time can be set using the buttons on the top of the device or the auxiliary app. The stainless steel heater can circulate up to 8 liters of water per minute, maintaining the temperature with 1/10 degree Celsius accuracy for the duration of your cooking time. The precision cooker from Anova does all of the work for you. This product costs $129. Ember temperature control smart mug. Do you want to keep your coffee hot all day? You can easily do it with this Ember temperature control smart mug. It comes in white or black and has a battery life of more than 1.5 hours after you remove it from the charger. You can set the ideal drinking temperature, ensuring that your coffee is always ready to serve. This mug can keep a temperature for up to 1.5 hours. Whenever you want, a perfectly hot drink. It's especially useful as a desk companion at work. This item is currently available for $124.75. Instaglow Toaster. You can select bread, English muffin, bagel, waffle, or croissants with a few taps on your toaster's touchscreen. You can also choose whether your bready snack should be fresh, frozen, or reheated. Instead of simply heating for a set amount of time, the Instaglow uses a technique to adjust the heat to your preferences and achieve the desired level of browning. The Instaglow also addresses one of the most serious issues with toasters, the crumb tray. The Instaglow alerts you when the tray needs to be emptied, which is something that analog toasters frequently overlook. For $509.97, you can make your breakfast extra easy and tasty. Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner. This Angry Mama microwave cleaner functions as a microwave steamer. It is the simplest and quickest way to clean your microwave oven out, with over 4,000 positive customer reviews, and people can't stop praising it. This comes in 4 different colors and has a super cute design. Amazon has this microwave oven for less than $7. It is one of the best small microwave cleaners that does not contain harmful chemicals, making it ideal for families with children. These cute Angry Mamas are available in different colors too. Rotary cheese grater. The round drum slicer blades are made of high-quality stainless steel, while the rest of the product is made of food-grade BPA-free plastic. The best part is that no electricity is required. The interblades do not come into contact with one another. Make your life easier in the kitchen. Don't use the dishwasher, just water will suffice. Traditionally, 1 full rotation equals 12 cuts, so you will save a lot of time when preparing meals. The cheese shredder is great for hash browns, potatoes, vegetables, radish, carrot, zucchini, cucumbers, nuts, cookies, and more. It's a piece of cake to install. Attach the drum blade to the tumbling box, then the handle. When you hear a click, the handle is in place. Don't be concerned about the handle coming off. It's very secure. Again, this is the #1 choice among customers, so put your trust in the $30 you invest in this kitchen product. Rocius electric salt and pepper grinder, another innovation for your kitchen. This grinder is powered by batteries, and thus has more power than rechargeable grinders. Simply flipping the grinder produces freshly ground spices. There is no need for additional hand strength. The blue LED light not only helps you see how much salt and pepper you put in your food, but it also allows you to see the storage area left inside. You can simply change the roughness to suit your needs. Rotate clockwise to grind fine particles, and anti-clockwise to grind coarse particles. This product also requires 8 8AA1, 5V batteries to function. The cost is $21.74, which is perfectly acceptable. So which products are you planning to welcome to your kitchen? If you already have some other smart kitchen gadget, let us know in the comment box below. Of course, a whole lot of other products are available in the market. Also, if you like this video, tap the like button once. This is it for today. We are coming back soon with more exciting content. Till then, bye-bye.